Okay guys, we just had like an engine fire and we didn't record it. I don't know why, but the engine just like caught on fire. I have zero hope in this truck. Early 90s fuel injection is bad. So today we're ditching the early 90s fuel injection on my F-150 and we're gonna be swapping it out with an Asus EFI kit, and my dad's gonna be helping me today as well. He's messing around, unboxing stuff, and let's jump right into it.
Huh. Well, that's why your truck won't run. Distributor gear ain't got no pin in it.
That might be a problem.
Mm-hmm. Oh, well, let's replace everything anyway.
We kind of have to.
Yeah, that's true. We're in it. Let's go.
Okay, so now we got all the cleaning done. Now we just gotta put the gaskets on, and we gotta just put all this stuff on now. The barn cat came back. That's Pumpkin. And now we're just gonna go into another time lapse with us putting all this on. All right, we're getting closer and closer to finishing. We're about to put the EFI kit on.
All right, time for a throttle body. All right, start routing cables. Get this stuff out of the way for now. Got to make fuel lines. Got to install an oxygen sensor. Do some wiring. Distributor, that's about it.
We should be good to go after this. Hopefully it starts. Fuel line.
Since these are all AN fittings, they've got tapered seats inside them, and so you don't have to put any kind of thread tape or anything in there. All right, so this is gonna have to go like this.
And will that connect to that?
Yep. Okay, so that's our feed line coming in, and then we'll run the return line from here over to the regulator. And this is where we'll regulate the pressure, and then this will feed back down to the return line that goes back to the tank. So we got to make two more hoses.
All right, my dad got the fuel hoses on. I unfortunately cannot film because my lunch made me have to do a big poo-poo. But
Thanks for that.
we're gonna go test for fuel leaks. So I'm gonna prime the fuel thingy. So I'm just gonna give the key. I'm about to do it.
Okay. Do it a few times.
Okay. Why is the check engine light on?
Keep going. Do it again. Again. Again.
That didn't sound good.
It's fine. It's just the pump finally getting pressure on it.
Y'all hear the fuel pump going? You want me to do it again?
Yep. Okay, so far so good. I got no leak.
That's good.
All right, turn it off.
That didn't look good.
It's killing everything. It's right here. It's right here. This wire is broken. Okay. That's our problem.
This is attempt 3,390 billion of trying to start this thing. No worky.
idle speed will drop down as well. Oh yeah.
And the China wall is not leaking.
Not yet.
Not yet.
Let's get some coolant in it so we can run it longer.
And then we just gotta attach throttle cords and stuff.
Let us get some heat in this thing. And yeah.
Attempt 303,090 billion finally worked. Except for the starter. But
all right.
solenoid still stinky.